Imagine waking up one morning and finding out an AI agent is doing your job. Faster, cheaper, and without coffee breaks. Sounds scary? Or maybe exciting? Today, we re-diving into a question that S on everyone's mind. Will AI agents replace your job? And more importantly, how can you stay ahead of the curve? First, let's get clear. AI agents are not just chatbots. They're advanced systems that can think, plan, and act autonomously to achieve specific goals. They can analyze data, make decisions, and even take actions without constant human supervision. Think of them as digital coworkers, or competitors, depending on how you see it. From customer service to finance, from healthcare to marketing, AI agents are already making their presence felt. They're booking appointments, handling transactions, screening job candidates, analyzing medical scans, and even creating content. In some industries, they've replaced repetitive tasks entirely. In others, they work alongside humans to boost productivity. Let's be honest, the first roles at risk are the ones with repetitive, predictable tasks. Data entry, basic customer service, routine scheduling, and some forms of content generation are already being automated. But here's the truth. AI agents are still tools. They lack creativity, empathy, and complex judgment, things humans excel at. If you want to future-proof your career, focus on skills AI can't easily replicate. Problem solving, leadership, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and creativity. Learn how to work with AI agents instead of competing against them. The future workforce will be humans and AI working side by side, and those who adapt early will lead the change. So, will AI agents replace your job? Maybe parts of it, but they can also make you more productive, free up your time, and open doors to entirely new career opportunities. It is not just about surviving the AI revolution, it is about thriving in it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to AI Pulse for more insights into the future of work, and share this with a friend who needs to hear it. And tell me in the comments, do you see AI agents as a threat, a tool, or maybe even a teammate? Let's talk about it.